Hi guys, welcome to Tax Q&A, your go-to resource for all things tax-related. Whether you're an individual looking to understand your tax obligations or a business owner trying to navigate the complexities of the tax world, we're here to help. In each video, we break down tax topics into easy-to-understand explanations, offering practical tips and expert insights. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's dive into today's tax question. Standard deductions for 2025. The standard deduction is a simplified way to reduce taxable income for taxpayers who do not itemize their deductions. Apart from the basic standard deduction amounts, there are additional elements and considerations that can impact the standard deduction. We will simplify tax jargon for better understanding. Today, we're diving deep into the world of IRS standard deductions for 2025. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income. We'll make sure you understand every twist and turn. So guys, buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. We'll break down the latest updates, ensuring you know exactly what's changed and how it affects you. We'll explain who qualifies for these deductions, so you can see if you or your family members are eligible. By the end of this enlightening journey, you'll be well equipped to tackle your tax return with confidence. You'll know what to look for and what to avoid. At least you won't be going in blind. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started on making this tax season a breeze. Let's start with the basics. Taxes can be a daunting subject, but understanding a few key concepts can make a world of difference. In the realm of taxes, the standard deduction is your trusty sidekick, a powerful tool that can help you save money. It's a fixed amount that you can subtract from your income before calculating your tax liability. This means you get to reduce the amount of income that is subject to tax. Think of it as a free pass to reduce your taxable income, which means less money going to Uncle Sam. It's like having a coupon for your taxes. Now, who wouldn't want that? The beauty of the standard deduction is its simplicity and ease of use. You don't need to keep track of every single expense throughout the year, like you would if you were itemizing. This can save you a lot of time and stress. It's a hassle-free way to potentially lower your tax bill, especially if you don't have a lot of deductible expenses. For many people, the standard deduction is the best option. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned, or at least a dollar not given to the government. So take advantage of the standard deduction and keep more of your hard-earned money. By understanding and utilizing the standard deduction, you can simplify your tax filing process and potentially save a significant amount of money. It's a win-win situation. So, next time tax season rolls around, remember your trusty sidekick, the standard deduction. It might just be your ticket to substantial tax savings. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the 2025 updates. The IRS, in their infinite wisdom, has decided to bless us with some increased standard deduction amounts. Yes, you heard that right. More money in your pockets. For single filers and those hitched to their careers. Married filing separately, the standard deduction is jumping to a cool $15,000. For our lovebirds filing jointly, it's a whopping $30,000. And for heads of households, the deduction is a respectable $22,500. These increases reflect the ever-rising cost of, well, everything, and are designed to provide some much-needed tax relief. Filing statuses. Those little boxes on tax forms that can make or break your tax liability. Your filing status is like your tax ID, determining which deductions and credits you're eligible for. It's based on your marital status and family situation. If you're flying solo, single, or prefer to keep your finances separate from your spouse, married filing separately, you'll fall into the single filer category at $15,000. Couples who believe in the power of shared bank accounts, married filing jointly, get to enjoy a higher standard deduction at $30,000, which is only fair since two incomes are usually better than one. And for our single parents and guardians out there, heads of households, you get a special deduction that falls somewhere in between single and married, filing jointly a total of $22,500. Here is the detailed chart explaining of standard deductions. Itemized deductions are an alternative to the standard deduction, allowing taxpayers to deduct specific expenses from their taxable income. These deductions are beneficial for individuals whose qualifying expenses exceed the standard deduction for their filing status. Common items that can be deducted include medical and dental expenses, exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, state and local taxes, up to $10,000, mortgage interest, charitable contributions, and certain casualty and theft losses in federally declared disaster areas. Taxpayers who might benefit from itemizing include homeowners with significant mortgage interest, those with high out-of-pocket medical expenses, or individuals making substantial charitable contributions. Choosing to itemize can reduce your taxable income more effectively than the standard deduction if your total deductible expenses are higher. It's a strategic choice for maximizing tax savings. If one spouse itemizes, the other must also itemize, even if their deductible expenses are less than the standard deduction. Certain deductions, such as gambling losses or unreimbursed employee expenses for specific occupations, can only be claimed through itemizing. Consulting with a tax professional can help determine if itemizing is right for you. Seniors and blind taxpayers, extra benefits. Oh wait, now let's talk about our seniors and blind taxpayers, those who have graced this earth with their presence for 65 plus years or have faced the challenges of visual impairment. The IRS, in an act of compassion, has decided to bestow upon you some extra tax benefits. That's right, folks. If you're 65 or older or legally blind, you qualify for an additional standard deduction. Think of it as a small token of appreciation for your years of wisdom and resilience. Every little bit helps, right? Taxpayers age 65 or older or those who are legally blind may qualify for an additional standard deduction amount. Single or head of household. Additional $2,000. Married filing jointly or separately. Additional $1,600 per qualifying individual. So, go ahead and pat yourselves on the back for reaching this milestone. You've earned it. Beyond standard deductions, exploring other tax breaks. But wait, there's more. The world of tax deductions doesn't end with the standard deduction. Oh no, my friends, there's a whole smorgasbord of other tax breaks just waiting to be devoured. We're talking about credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, a refundable credit for low to moderate income working individuals and families, and the Adoption Tax Credit, a credit designed to help offset the costs of adopting a child. These credits can put real money back in your pocket, so it's worth exploring whether you qualify. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to navigating the often overwhelming world of taxes. In addition to understanding the standard deductions for 2025, it's equally important to explore other tax credits that can significantly reduce your tax liability. During our upcoming Q&A session, we'll dive deeper into various tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, Child Tax Credit, and Education Credits. We'll also address your specific questions to help you maximize your savings and navigate the tax season with confidence. Don't miss this opportunity to learn more about how these credits can work for you. Seeking expert guidance. Don't go it alone. It's important to remember that your tax professional is more than just someone who files your taxes. They're a valuable partner in your financial journey. Make it a habit to ask questions about your tax obligations, potential deductions, and future planning strategies. Whether you're unsure about a recent change in tax laws or want to explore ways to save on your taxes, open communication is key. Don't hesitate to reach out and discuss your concerns or goals. A proactive approach not only helps you stay compliant with IRS guidelines, but also allows you to make informed decisions that can positively impact your financial future. Your tax professional is there to guide you. Make the most of that relationship. Remember, when it comes to taxes, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Investing in professional help can be one of the smartest financial decisions you make, ensuring that you stay compliant and potentially saving you from costly mistakes down the road. Conclusion: embrace tax season with confidence. So, there you have it, folks. We've delved into the depths of IRS standard deductions, explored the exciting updates for 2025, and uncovered some valuable tax-saving tips along the way. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to face tax season head-on. With unwavering confidence, you can tackle the tax season as a seasoned tax pro. Remember, taxes may be inevitable, but they don't have to be scary. By understanding the rules of the game and seeking expert guidance when needed, you can navigate this annual ritual with relative ease and potentially even come out ahead. And who knows, maybe one day we'll even find a way to make taxes enjoyable. Okay, maybe not, but we can dream, can't we? If you found this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit. And as always, consult a tax professional for personalized advice. Thanks for watching, and please share your views with us. If you have a tax question you would like that to be answered, please post your question in the comments section below. Stay informed, stay prepared, and let's make taxes less taxing together. See you in the next video.